এটারে বলো শয়তানও, হ্যাঁ মানে এত শয়তান। উনি বের হয়েছে নিচ দেয়া, উনি যাবেও নিচ দেয়া। এক্সকিউজ মি। এখন অন্য রুমে চলে গেছে, ফিরে আসছে আবার। এক্সকিউজ মি। শয়তান কতটুকু, দুষ্ট কতটুকু, মানে জোর জবস্তি করবে। হ্যাঁ আমার রুমটা লক করে দাও আম্মু। আমার ঘরেই। I just let them get out. I can have them get out from. Oh, it's been a long time. I have them. These both are guys. That's she, all the back, and that's also she. These two are parakeet. I used to think this is Baji, but no, this is parakeet. But he's Baji, because the guy sell it to me. He told me like the bigger size is Baji, smaller size is parakeet. They're adorable, trust me. Get fell out. It's Mother Nature. It's kind of dark. Because I have lost like six of them is quietly too many for one family. Like they're all like child. Believe me, they're all the child. Hello. Hi. Hello. Look at the color on her. She's too scared, but now she's not much scared anymore. I'm not zooming the phone. I'm zooming the. She's adorable too. She's a big girl. Nothing yet. This is the easy way to track them. What's going on? I'm not something. Not yet. Because I don't touch the nest, I just see from the camera. Hey. Sorry to bother. Go eat. Sorry. She get out. She decided to get out. She flied and come back. It's good thing my main door is open sometime. They don't get out. This is the good thing. They knows me. Hello. Bye bye. Say bye bye to people. Yeah, you wanna say bye? Alright, so bye bye people. Good night.